If you've experienced a significant increase in your water bill, this could be the culprit. The toilets in your home account for about 25 to 30% of your total water bill, so a small leak here could represent thousands of gallons of wasted water. Now, the most common problem with a toilet that causes it to use that kind of water is the seal between the tank and the bowl. Now, you can test that a couple different ways. First of all, take the lid off the tank, put just a little bit of food coloring in the tank, and if it shows up right away in the bowl, you definitely have a problem with that seal. Another way to check it is just before you go to bed, turn the water valve off for the supply right at the wall. Then the next morning, check the tank. If it's not full, you have a problem. The good news, to solve the problem, it's only about $5 worth of materials and about 10 minutes of your time.